Hello guys, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is if x plus y times x square minus y square is equal to 9 and x minus y times x square plus y square is equal to 5, then find the value of x and y. So student, today in this video I am telling you how to find the value of x and y from these two equations. And our given equation are x plus y times x square minus y square is equal to 9. This is equation number 1. And our second equation is x minus y times x square plus y square is equal to 5. This is equation number 2. Now we have to dividing equation 1 and 2 we get. So we can write in here x plus y times x square minus y square over, in the place of denominator we have to write x minus y times x square plus y square is equal to 9 over 5. Student, according to this formula we can write on the left hand side in the place of numerator x plus y times x plus y times x minus y over, again we have to write x minus y times x square plus y square is equal to, on the right hand side again we have to write 9 over 5. So student, on the left hand side we can cancel x minus y from numerator and denominator in this fraction. So now we get on the left hand side x plus y times x plus y over x square plus y square is equal to, again we have to write 9 over 5 on the right hand side of this equation. And after that, on the left hand side in the place of numerator we have to write the product of x plus y and x plus y. So student, the product of x plus y and x plus y is x square plus 2 times xy plus y square over, again we have to write x square plus y square is equal to, on the right hand side again we have to write 9 over 5. So after that we have to apply the componendo and dividendo rules of algebra. So student, by componendo and dividendo we can write from this equation x square plus 2xy plus y square plus x square plus y square over x square plus 2xy plus y square minus x square minus y square is equal to, similarly according to componendo and dividendo we can write from 9 over 5 9 plus 5 over 9 minus 5. After that, on the left hand side we get in the place of numerator 2 times x square plus 2xy plus y square plus y square, that is 2y square over, and in the place of denominator we can cancel minus x square and plus x square, and similarly we can cancel plus y square and minus y square. So in the place of denominator we get 2 times xy is equal to, on the right hand side we get 14 over 4. So now we can divide 14 by 2, then you get 7, and similarly we have to divide the denominator by 2, then you get 2. According to cross multiplication rule, we can write from this equation 4 times x square plus 4 times xy plus 4 times y square is equal to 14 times xy. So after that, student, we have to transpose 14 times xy from right hand side to left hand side. Then the left hand side will becomes 4 times x square minus 10 times xy plus 4 times y square is equal to 0. So student, according to rules of factorization, we can write from the left hand side of this equation 4 times x square minus, in the place of 10 we have to write 8 plus 2 times xy plus 4 times y square is equal to 0. After that, we can write from the left hand side of this equation 4 times x square minus 8 times xy minus into plus, that is minus, and similarly we have to multiply 2 with xy, that is 2 times xy plus 4 times y square is equal to 0. So student, now we have to take common 4xy from first two terms. So now we can write 4 times xy times x minus 2y minus, similarly we can take common 2y from last two terms. So we can write in here 2y times x minus 2y is equal to 0. So student, on the left hand side of this equation, in both terms x minus 2y is present. So now we can take common x minus 2y from both terms. So we get x minus 2y times 4x minus 2y is equal to 0. So student, according to zero product rule, we can write from this equation x minus 2y is equal to 0 and 4x minus 2y is equal to 0. So student, from first equation we can write in here x over y is equal to 2. So we can write from this equation x is equal to 2y. And from this equation we can write in here 4x is equal to 2y. And after that we can write from this equation x over y is equal to 2 over 4, that is 1 over 2. That means x over y has two values, 2 and 1 over 2. But from equation number 2 we can say that x greater than y. That means the value of x over y is equal to 1 over 2 is not acceptable. Okay, so we have to take the value of x over y is equal to 2. From equation 2 we get x minus y times x square plus y square is equal to 5. So now we can put the value of x on the left hand side of this equation. So we can write from this equation 2y minus y times 2y whole square plus y square is equal to 5. So now we can write from the left hand side of this equation y times 4y square plus y square is equal to 5. we can write from the left hand side of this equation y times 5y square is equal to 5. So student, now we can write from the left hand side 5y to the power 3 is equal to 5. So after that we can write from this equation y to the power 3 is equal to 1. And after that we can write from this equation y to the power 3 is equal to 1 to the power 3. So student, to find the value of y from this equation, we have to apply the formula a to the power m is equal to b to the power m, implies that a is equal to b. So student, according to this formula, we can write from this equation y is equal to 1. So student, the value of y will be 1. So now we can put the value of y in equation number 3. So student, our equation number 3 is x over y is equal to 2. So after that, if you put the value of y on the left hand side of this equation, then the equation will becomes x over 1 is equal to 2, that is x is equal to 2. So student, the value of x and y will be 2 and 1. So student, so this is our final answer. So student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.